What is up, Web3 crew? KuCoin right here at Token2049 Medina Jumeirah, and I am with the head of PD. We have Tika from KuCoin. How are you?
Hi, nice to meet you.
How's the event so far?
So it was awesome. So Dubai is really hot, but as long as you guys are with AC, everything is all good. So the crowd here, the atmosphere, it sounds perfect.
How did you guys prepare for Token2049?
Well, actually, we have prepared a lot of things. So we are one of the stage. KuCoin, we are one of the stage sponsor. So and also we got a whole booth set up here, very nice booth. We also got our side events, and we got a lot of attendees. So it's amazing event.
Is this your first time to be to be an exhibitor of Token2049?
I think no, yeah, actually, so KuCoin is actually very active in the Web3 space. So, but this is the first time we did in such a big scale.
Can you please give us a little bit background of yourself? What did you do before KuCoin?
So my name is Tika. So I'm from Hong Kong, and I'm now the head of institutional sales of KuCoin Exchange. So I've been in the firm for some time, and before joining KuCoin, literally before joining Web3, I was actually from traditional finance. So I was doing investment banking and equity capital markets, focusing all on institutional business before joining KuCoin.
What does KuCoin do, and how does it work? What are your expertise?
So KuCoin is a global crypto exchange. We started in 2017. So we were always known as one of the most reputable crypto exchange among the market. We are also the pioneer of the industry. So we are very reputable and renowned for our speed of listings, and also we got more than 1,000 pairs of spot trading products. So we got a lot of cryptocurrency. We are always called as a gem spot for investors to find out the next gems. And we are always specialized in provide a very enhanced trading solutions, not just to retail users, but also for institutions, great traders. We got a lot of clients that they really love using us. We are actually having more than 40 million of registered users all over the globe, all over the world.
Fantastic. Now, what makes KuCoin stand out from all of the exchanges?
Well, I'm not going to talk about other exchanges, but at least for KuCoin, so we always have a mission that we would like to be the people's exchange.
Yeah.
So KuCoin is a very technology-driven firm. So most of our colleagues actually they were developers. So we are very proud, and we are very of our technologies. And so what we have been doing is we focus a lot on R&Ds and in product developments. So in order to give our users the best users experience.
Thank you so much. And what's next for KuCoin? After Token2049, where are you heading to next? Any upcoming events or future projects to launch?
So actually our CEO yesterday, CEO BC Wong, so he actually has announced a very big project of a $2 billion worth project and trust project to enhance all the securities and also wallets and also transparency. So this is a big plan. So announcement is out. So feel free to stay tuned and check out the announcement. And from business level, so we are going to expand more to we are going to develop more I would say better client experience, user experience, and also provide more best-in-class solutions to our institutional clients.
Thank you so much, Tika. And I have one last question. What do you think is the future of money?
So this is a very good question. So future of money, where we are now just talking about a lot of fears, and cryptocurrency is already in the eye of the large institutions. So we are seeing that big institutions are adopting cryptocurrency as one of the major assets. I will say it's all about consensus. So if you got a consensus about anything can be money. At this stage, we are seeing that more and more people, the mass popular, are going to adopt cryptocurrency. So yeah, that personally, I'm a believer. So this might be the trend. And let's see.
Thank you so much, Tika. And now describe Token2049 in 3 words. Let's go.
Amazing, amazing, amazing.
Thank you. I hope you get a lot of insights from him. This is me, Krista. More to come. Only here at FOMO, the future of money.